In today's video, we are going to cover how to update your address as an employee in Gusto. If you are already logged into your Gusto account, begin from the main account view. Look to the left-hand menu and click My Profile. This opens the area where your personal account details are stored. Once you are in your profile, find the Information section and click Personal. This takes you to the page that contains your personal details, including the address currently connected to your employee profile. On the Personal page, scroll down until you reach the Address section. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before continuing, since there may be other profile details on the page. When you see the Address section, click Manage Home Address. This opens the Home Address History page, where Gusto keeps track of your current address and any previous address updates. On the Home Address History page, locate your current home address. Under that address, click Change Address. This starts the update process for the address that is currently on file. Next, Gusto will ask why you are changing your address today. You will need to choose one of the two available options. Select I need to correct an error in my current address if the address on file is wrong and needs to be fixed. Select I have moved to a new address if you are updating your profile because you now live somewhere else. If you selected that you have moved to a new address, enter your move-in date when prompted. Make sure the date matches when you began living at the new address, since this detail is part of the address update record. After that, enter your new address details. Fill in Street 1, and if needed, add Street 2. Then enter your city, state, and zip code. Review each field as you go so the address matches the location you want saved in your employee profile. If Street 2 does not apply to your address, you can leave that field blank. Once all of the new address information is entered, click Save. Gusto will then update your home address using the details you provided. If you entered a move-in date because you selected that you moved, that information will be saved along with the address change. At this point, your updated address should now appear as part of your home address record in Gusto. Thanks for watching. Your home address in Gusto is now updated.